Okay, maintenance Monday. Got a lot of things going on. Took the week off because, you know what, it's time to break up with the crew for a while. Anyway, what I'm going to do is replace upper and lower control arm, plus tie rods, and the sway bar bushing, because, you know what, it's getting worn out. 86,600 miles on this truck, and I've never had it done before, so it's time. And I've already done the other side. Did that a couple days ago, but with the rain, it was pretty gross. So let me get my jack stand under here and get moving. Alright, 4 hours later, we're done. Now I just need to get a alignment done, because obviously done any suspension and steering work you have to. Forgot. Stabilizer bushing. I'm going to finish this before this ends up on the shelf until 2024. Just so you all know, I bought the parts for this steering and suspension system rebuild in December of 2020. Hard to tell, but there is cracking all along through here. I'm not surprised. This truck is, it's cracked right here too. Truck is 9 years old. It's got 86,000 miles on it. It's time. Might as well. Spray can overhaul. You can get the skid plate here and the one up on by the engine. So I also went over the frame a little bit in a couple places where I know I had some rust peeking through. I used Eastwood and I ran out. I need to finish. It's not done. Of course, with every project I ever start, it never seems to be done. But I did get those sway bar bushings in there. I do have a hard time holding things up above my head, and that's a result of the surgery I had on my neck about 9 years ago. I had cancer. They cut my spinal accessory nerve, which controls the ability to pick up arms. Set them back down. So there's some rust on this right there. Up in there I have some rust too. Not really worried about too much. And I gotta take the bumper off. I'm gonna go ahead and bedline the bumper and the front bumper. 9-year-old truck, she runs nice. I even made myself a little to-do list, which I never do. I had to torque the shock bolts because I forgot, so I made sure I wrote that down, and everything else got done. I took measurements. Originally, we were 37 3/4 right here from top of or bottom of the fender right to the ground. So after I was all done, both sides are at 38 1/4. Why? I don't know, but they're even. So I'm gonna let it be. Could be just the fact that I replaced everything. And yeah, I just did those. So we are done with this whole setup. What's next?